What is TerraForm? TerraForm is an open source infrastructure as code software tool created by HashiCorp. TerraForm is a tool for building, changing, and versioning infrastructure safely and efficiently. Users define and provide data center infrastructure using a declarative configuration language known as HashiCorp Configuration Language (HCL). TerraForm can manage existing and popular service providers as well as custom in-house solutions. Let us understand what is the design of TerraForm. TerraForm manages external resources such as public cloud infrastructure, private cloud infrastructure, network appliances, software as a service, and platform as a service with providers. HashiCorp maintains an extensive list of official providers and can also integrate with community-developed providers. Users can interact with TerraForm providers by declaring resources or by calling data sources. Rather than using imperative commands to provision resources, TerraForm uses a declarative configuration to describe the desired final state. Once a user invokes TerraForm on a given resource, TerraForm will perform CRUD operations on the user's behalf to accomplish that desired state. The infrastructure as code can be written as small modules, promoting reusability and maintainability. TerraForm supports a number of cloud infrastructure providers such as AWS, Microsoft Azure, IBM Cloud Server Space, Google Cloud Platform, DigitalOcean, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, Yandex Cloud, VMware, vSphere, and OpenStack. Let us now understand the key features of TerraForm. Number 1. Infrastructure as code. Infrastructure is described using a high-level configuration syntax. This allows a blueprint of your data center to be versioned and treated as you would any other code. Additionally, infrastructure can be shared and reused. Number 2. Execution plans. TerraForm has a planning step where it generates an execution plan. The execution plan shows what TerraForm will do when you call apply. This lets you avoid any surprises when TerraForm manipulates your infrastructure. Number 3. Resource graph. TerraForm builds a graph of all your resources, parallelizes the creation and modification of any non-dependent resources. Because of this, TerraForm builds infrastructure as efficiently as possible, and operators get insight into dependencies in their infrastructure. Number 4. Change automation. Complex change sets can be applied to your infrastructure with minimal human interaction. With the previously mentioned execution plan and resource group, you know exactly what TerraForm will change and in what order, avoiding many possible human errors. I hope you found this video on TerraForm useful, and if you did, please like the video, comment below on what topic I should cover next, and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you.